Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today we're going to show you another 1987 Buick GNX. This is going to be going live on Bring a Trailer, 290 original miles. So we're going to try to add minimal mileage. You're going to get a full gallery, underside shots if you click on the link below. If you need help with transportation, you can also go to our website. You can fill out your zip code or port of entry. We'll get you a quote quickly. Let's go ahead and pull it outside, do a complete walk around, and then we'll take it for a test drive and let you decide if this is one of the 547 for you. Let's do a complete walk around. So this is number 532 out of 547. The differences between this and a regular Grand National would be the fender flares, the fender opening right here, the wheels, the suspension components, and the rear end actually has a stamped GNX. That's like a panhard bar holder in there. You also have the placard, ceramic turbo. It has higher boost level than a regular Grand National. And this one right here has 290 original miles. It's on the Carfax. It was purchased by the owner in 2016. Bear with me with the wind. But this is a really nice example and it'd be great in a collection. Let me start off with under the hood. Engine bay is extremely tidy. It has been detailed. Still have your Power Master. Correct intercooler. Light still operates. Most people will unplug that. You still have the factory airbox. It's a nice, clean example. Paint shows very well. Bumper fillers have been replaced and they look great, and the grille still operates as it should. As you look down the driver's side, you're going to see that there's no dents or dimples. You're going to be able to see underside shots of this specific ride in the link below. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Tires have been replaced, and that's for safety. We do not have the originals. This does have the GNX book and documentation from the prior purchase. Interior is extremely clean. You can see that steering wheel is perfect, and 293 miles now. We had to drive it to take pictures. Interior is all original and very clean. It's not a reproduction piece. Dash is very nice. Headliner is in great shape as well. Let me grab the keys. Doors close nicely. I hate closing them when the windows are down. All the rubber seals are in great shape. There's no cracking. Roof line's very nice. All the glass is very nice. Rear quarter has no dents or dimples. You can still see rock guard through this paint. Exhaust is original. Rear bumper filler has been replaced as well. And these are not the spoolfuls. These are actually the OEM style versions. Here's inside the trunk. If you're hearing all that rattle, that's our custom Corvette with a 572 big block, 720 horsepower, and then a Dodge Viper next to it. Those are both going on Bring a Trailer, along with this 40 coupe. Trunk line is very nice. You still do have a spare tire back here. And then you have your sticker here. that's going to have your, basically tell you that it's a Grand National that was sent to ASC. Well, this doesn't tell you that it was sent to ASC, but they start off as Grand Nationals and then they're sent to ASC. Trunk line is very nice. Passenger side is the same as the driver's side. See the interior right there. I always like to show the inner door areas and also the door pinch welds. Paint looks better than stock, how it is right now. See the interior. And then there's your numbering. And it smells brand new inside. Everything works, AC is cold. Let's start it up right now. We'll take it for a ride. Okay, we're gonna start it. Fuel pumps up. So the gauge cluster is different for the GNX as well. It's all S&W gauges. You can see it has a tach as well, 293 miles on it. You've got a turbo gauge, oil pressure, fuel gauge, and temperature, which it's cold right now. Antenna works. Air condition works as well. And the interior is extremely clean. You can see that the box has never been pulled out for the computer. Normally the pin would be missing. Let me go back there so you can hear it. Sounds good. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. All right, let's take it for a spin. Just put it in gear, no banging into gear. Nice and smooth. Obviously, it has 293 miles on it. We're just gonna bring it to a warehouse over here, get some artistic shots. You'll get to see it drive at speed and let you guys make a decision if this is the right GNX for you. If you look at our track record, we've sold over 77 Grand Nationals. We have 3 Grand Nationals in stock. We just got another one in. So we love these. It's not something that we're just buying just to make a quick buck. This is something that we have a passion for, along with Fox Bodies. If you call us, we're gonna answer any question to the best of our ability. I do know these cars really well. So if you see something, just call us and I'll explain it to you. This thing drives great. We're about to go over some bumps right now. Nice and smooth. Transmission is working as it should. We had this on a storage rack. There's no seepage of any kind. A little bit of sweating from the rear main seal, which is pretty common, especially for a car that's been sitting. We did send this over to Keith's Rods and Customs to get serviced before the list up. So they did all new fluids and filters, fuel filter. They checked everything out, made sure it was good to go, and then it was sent over to us. We had it detailed, and you'll get to see exactly how it's presented right now. It's really quiet, huh? Let's put the air condition on. AC's cold. Steering's extremely tight. We're gonna turn right here. This is where we take our pictures, so it's less than a mile for the total trip. We had to do it twice, first for the photo shoot, and now we're doing it for the actual video. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. This is a nice solid piece, and if you want to add this to your collection, this is definitely at 293 miles. So I'm going to say 295 when it's done, basically, because we're going to do some rollers here. Thanks again. I hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Have a great day. If you want number 532 out of 547, this is a click on the link below to get all the information. Thank you.